I will be sharing with us understanding the compensation plan today. I'm trying to share my screen, just hold on. So can we see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. So this topic is important because I got engaged with one of my downlines a few days ago, and I still see that even with all the trainings and knowledge sharing that we've tried to do on this compensation plan, quite a lot of distributors still don't understand how the compensation plan works. So though it's going to be a continuous thing, the more we are in this business, the more we get to understand the compensation plan. So I just deem it fit to talk about the compensation plan today. Okay. So Green Monday compensation plan overview. I'm just going to run through some, and anybody that have a question, we are going to look at the question. So the compensation plan starts from when you register, because we always say that this business pays you in a lot of ways. So basically, we say it pays you in 13 different ways. So part of those ways, we have the retailing profit as part of it. So I'm going to, so these are the 13 different ways. Can we see the slide? So we can see the instant reward, the personal bonus, the personal matching bonus, the team bonus, the executive share, the team matching bonus, stockist reward, rank PV bonus, the retail profit, the leadership bonus, the matrix completion bonus, the matrix completion sponsor bonus, and the global share. So these all 13 ways, it doesn't mean that automatically when you pay either your 40,000 or your 75,000, you are qualified for everything. There are different things you have to do to make you qualify for everything. And if at a point you've been able to get to the VIP stage, then you can actually qualify for everything. And even when you are not VIP as platinum, you can actually qualify for everything. Then if you are platinum, you are VIP, and you are not a stockist, there are some that you are not going to be qualified for, especially the stockist reward. So you have to be a stockist to be qualified for the stockist reward. But the retail profit, all of us are qualified for the retail profit. The instant reward, everybody is qualified. The personal bonus, the matching bonus, team matching bonus, leadership bonus, rank PV bonus, matrix completion, and we are all qualified for those ones. Once you stay active, your account is active, you are going to benefit from every of all these things. And people will say that, why do I need to get active all the time to get qualified for all this? There are some times that maybe when you are not active for that month, you can actually benefit from the PV of maybe probably someone bought products under you or something. You might get the PV from that, but you are not going to get some monetary things that come with that. So that is why it's always important for you to stay active so you can actually qualify for all the bonus. Then as much as possible, where everybody needs to be in this business is VIP, and as much as possible, we need to be stockist so we can enjoy all the 13 different ways of how to earn in this business. So I'm going to go back to that retail. So let's look at the retail profit. So look at this retail profit. If we start with that, in as much as personally, I'm not really a believer in I want to retail, I want to sell, but we can't rule it out from this business, because if product don't move, nobody gets paid. So for us to be paid, product has to move. And that is what makes this a real multi-level marketing. Is the products that we are trying to get out there for everybody to get to know about it. So that's why it's important product have to move. If it doesn't move, nobody get paid. So if you come in as a Bronx member, you register with 40,000, the company is saying that with all the products you are going to get, you get 1, 1, 1, 1 of all these, 5, 5 of that. So you get all these products and you are going to make a retail profit of 7,500 naira. That's if you retail this thing, you're already at a profit of 7,500 in coming into that business. Not so many business that we start nowadays that immediately you come in, you're already profitable. Because I have been able to do some business myself, and I know how this business space is like. Sometimes you have to like wait like maybe 6 months 3 months, 1 year before you start breaking even. But with this, even as a Bronx member, you have gotten your money back, your 7,500 back immediately. So that is a good business to start with. So if you do silver at 75,000 naira, the company is saying that from retailing these products alone, you already make a profit of 12,500. Awesome, which is good. If you come in with gold of 140, you make a profit of 35,000 immediately. If some of us are conversant with all these people that sell things in supermarket, you can see that most of these things, they make profit of maybe 10 naira, 20 naira, maybe some, maybe maximum, maybe 80, 100 naira from all these things that they sell from all these supermarkets and all. Small profits. So, but you come in with a business of 140, immediately you have made 35,000. You come in with 400,000, you have made 120,000 immediately. You come in with 750 VIP, you have made 310,000 immediately. That is a fantastic business. I tell people that if you put your money in the bank, how much profit are you going to make? Within that 1 month, you are going to sell your product. Let's even say 2 months. So how much profit are you going to make? So to me, this is, even the retail profit alone is better than you putting your money in the bank. So that is the retail profit. So let's move on. Let's move on to, so this is another thing that we need to know, that, okay, we are saying we are driving with something we call the power of 4. So this is the bonus you are going to collect when you bring in someone into the business. How do I mean by that? It doesn't matter if you are a Bronx that you can only bring Bronx. If you are a Bronx, you can bring VIP. If you are a silver, you can bring platinum. If you are anything, you can bring anything. This is fantastic. I know some network marketing business that if you are not VIP, you cannot deal with VIP. If you cannot platinum, you cannot deal with platinum. But this company has made this very sweet, so that as a Bronx, you can sign up VIPs, you can sign anybody. And guess what? If you sign one VIP, you get 100,000 immediately. Within 5-10 minutes, your account has been credited with that money. That is fantastic. So if you sign a platinum under you, immediately you get 60,000 naira. Immediately. If you sign a gold under you, immediately you get 21,000. If you sign a silver, you get 10. If you sign a Bronx just like you get 5,000 naira. So this does not depend on if you are a VIP or you are this or you are that. No matter this thing you are, you come in with either Bronx or whatever, everybody gets the same amount if you sign these people: Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, VIP. So that is that. Then if your sponsor instant reward from Bronx upgrade and above. For example, now if you are Bronx and you upgraded to silver, so the sponsor gets 1,000 from Bronze to silver. From Bronze to gold, the sponsor gets 3,000. Do we understand that? Let's say this is Dr. I know is my sponsor. Dr. Fumi I know is my sponsor. I am a Bronx member and I now upgrade to silver. My upline, that's my sponsor, is going to get 1,000. If I'm Bronx and I upgrade to gold, my sponsor gets 3,000. If I'm Bronx and upgrade to platinum, 50,000. The Bronx to VIP, 20,000. Like that, if you upgrade. Then silver to gold, 2,000 naira. Those are the sponsor instant reward from Bronx to silver. Then if you go to purchasing instant reward and upgrade, if someone from Bronx to silver, this is what you get. From Bronx to gold, 10,000. Like that. So all the way from gold to VIP, 68,000. From platinum to VIP, 38,000. So those are the sponsor for upgrade, what you get from upgrade. It is different from what you get if someone signed as a bronze or as a gold or as a this thing. Those are different from when you do upgrades. So the other ones are the upgrades. The one are the when you sign up someone that come in with those ones: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, VIP. Do we understand that? So I move to the next one. So these are the, I'm not really going to dwell on this because some of these GMX packages are not available anymore. For example, we don't have this R and R2 again. So what we basically have now is the N10 and some of those GMX RPL. So with the N10, that has even make it more fantastic because before there are some things your downlines are going to do and what you are just going to get from it is just 50 naira. But with this GMX N10, what that means is that for every 2 PV that they do, because it comes in 2 PV, you get 100 naira. Initially, before, some of those things you are just getting 50 naira. But now, every single thing that they do from those N10, the 2 PV, you get 100 naira. This 100 naira is going to go 12 levels up. How do I mean? Let's say I sign up someone under me now. The person now did GMX N10, which is 2 PV. From that 2 PV, I earn 100 naira, and it goes all the way up to me, to person above me, to above that person, up to the 12 levels up. So that's where it goes. So And you know, most times, sometimes you might, when you do like, let's say you do a GMX that's about like maybe 30, 40,000 naira, depending on the products you buy. So the 22PV can be a multiple of that. So it can be maybe it can be like maybe 10 or 15 or 20 of that. So from all those, you get 100 naira times 10, and it goes all the way, or times 20. Those, that might be like 1,000 or 2,000, and it goes all the way. Everybody get that to 2,000 naira up from that GMX N10. And people still don't understand what that 2PV means. That's GMX N10. The 2PV is not for you that is buying. That 2PV is for the upline. That PV is the PV that your upline gets. That's the PV. You that is buying that, you get 2 times 5. It's always times 5. So that means on that 2PV, you get 10 rank PV for yourself. So if you do GMX N10, let's say you do like 5 of that GMX N10, you know it is 222. That's 2 times. So that's going to be 1. That means 1 for you now is 2 times 5. That is 10. That will be 10 times 5. That will be 50. So you that is buying are going to get 50 PV. And the person on top of you, this, your sponsor, is going to get 10. That's 2 times 5 of that, or 2 times you're going to get 10, and you get 50. So you, the purchaser, he gets the bulk of that PV, because you are going to get times 5 of that rank of that PV. That is your own rank PV. And the person above you now get that PV, and it goes all the way down. So that is why I'm not dwelling on this GMX R2, because these ones are not available. Then I think we will see have some of that GMX S3. The sponsors get 2,500 from that GMX S3. GMX S3. That behaves almost the same way as the GMX RPL of 60,000. The sponsors still get 2,005, and it goes all the way up like that. So let me move to the next one. Okay, let's take a look at this instant reward, personal bonus, and personal matching bonus. This one, we are driving with what we call the power of 4. Are you with me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
So with this table, in fact, this is actually a very fantastic table. So, you know, this personal bonus is what is going to differentiate this business from every other thing else out there, because the potentials of what you can earn from this personal bonus is very amazing. So you look at this, that what does it take for you to become, from number 1? I always tell people that you can plan your own goal in this business. I might decide that it's going to take me 1 month for me to get my 4. And I want to drive my team in such a way that my 4 is getting their 4 every 1 month. So if you are looking at 1 month to do this, that means the whole of this thing is going to take you 1 year, because this is 12 cycle here, and this 12 cycle is 1 month. That takes you 12 years. If you decide that you want to do your own every 3 months or every 4 months. So if you want to do your own for 4 months, that means week 1, you are able to do step 1. Week 2, you are the following 4 months, you are able to do another 2. So that means it's going to be 4 times 12. That's 48 months. That's about like 4 years. So that means for you, you have made your mind that it's going to take you 4 years to want to do this table. You can set your goal and work accordingly. You don't have to do what I have to do, what I need to do. I don't have to do what you need to do. Everybody can play this the way they want to. So if it takes you 1 month for your 4 to get your 4, that means you have completed this level 1. The instant reward you are going to get then is 80,000 naira. The personal bonus is 16,000 naira. This is assuming that everybody here is coming in as I think it's a gold table.
Gold, yeah, gold.
Gold table. So this means that everybody is coming in as gold. Everybody is coming in as gold. So if some of them did not come in as gold, it's going to affect this table. If someone, that means it's going to be lesser. If some people come in as VIP, that means it's going to be more. If some come as silver, that means it's going to be lesser. So it depends on how you build your team. So that is why, and we tell everybody knows that it is not typical for everybody to do the same thing. In my team, I have some people that are bronze, I have some people that are silver, I have some people that are VIP, I have some people that are platinum. So these things vary in different teams. So that means this is not a typical table. It can always be different. The outcome might be different. It might be more, it might be less. It doesn't have to be 1 year. It doesn't have to be 2 years. At times it can be faster for some people. At times it can be slower for some people. And we still have to understand that you might not be able to replicate this table 100%. Why? Because power of 4 as it is might not be power of 4 as it looks. How do I mean? I might come in now and get my 4. Some of my 4 might get 2. Some might get 1. Some might get 3. So it's not a typical table. It doesn't mean the way this table has been said is what it's going to be. It can actually be more and it can be less. And I even think with this N10 system that we are practicing right now, the earnings potential are probably going to be times 4 of this in some of the table. Because a lot of us are still getting to learn that N10, but there's a hidden gold in that N10 if you can actually look at it and do the network marketing the way it's supposed to be done. So now let's go back to this table now. So let's say I get my 4 of us are doing gold, assuming it's good right now. So you get 80,000 naira from the instant reward when my 4 is complete. Personal bonus 16, personal matching bonus I get 1,600. The team bonus I get 2,400. The team matching bonus I get 240. At the end of that month, because I'm driving with 1 month right now, I've earned 1,240 for that time. I've earned that amount of money. So this is my 4 that I guess now. Day 2, the first person tried to do his 4. The second person do the 4. The third do the 4, and the fourth has completed his own 4. So everybody has done their own 4. That has completed your number 2. So you are going to earn 64,000 as your personal bonus. You earn 6,004 as your personal matching bonus. You earn 9,600 as your team bonus. You earn team matching bonus of 960 and 10,000 from your matrix reward. So that is 90,960. So that is level 2 completed for you. For level 3, those 4 2 have been able to do their 4, 4, 4, 4, and it continues like that. So it keeps going, and the table keeps building. And this money is till it got to 11 billion. I tell people that is what you are going to earn for that month. Don't forget that you must have earned other things. And some people wonder that, okay, am I going to wait till I get to this level 12 before I get paid? No. The name of this company is called Green Mondays. Everything is being paid on Mondays. So whatever you have done, if for that week, what you have been able, for that month, what you have been able to do is just 1 person or 2 person. What you are going to earn, you can withdraw it every Monday from your back office. What you simply do is just go to withdraw, input your account details, and your money is being transferred to you every Monday from 10. So that is for that about that. Some people wonder again that for this matrix reward, how am I qualify for this matrix reward? We are going to get there. It's still up. I'm going to get there. So remember, this table is your 4, the power of 4 as you are driving with it. And let's even tell yourself that these figures look very big. Maybe you don't believe that you can make these figures. If you can just do 10% of this table, that means you scored 10 over 100 in 4 years. I really don't know what some of us are doing right now that is going to give you 10% of 11 billion in 4 years. Maybe if you have something you are doing right now that you think can give you that, I think I would like to know. I probably might want to join you too. So that is the beautiful thing about this. The 10% of this is huge. It's unbelievable. Just 10 over 100. We have failed. We have failed to score 10 over 100. That's what I call failing forward. That's a good failure for anybody. For anybody. So I move to the next. Okay. Okay, this is about the earning. Okay, let me just explain this briefly. I think there's a little bit adjustment about this too. And that's what it comes into when you are fully active and you are not completely active. CM did a video recently that he told us that we actually need to be completely active. That if you are active to a particular level, you can earn as much as a VIP. That is, if you just don't do 2 PV for you to just stay active, if you do your complete 20 PV for that month, that means you are going to earn as much as a VIP will earn. So what differentiates how VIP earns? This one, VIP, they earn, you actually earn from your first level to your 12th level. So that means from your person, the first person under you, second, third, fourth, down like that to the 12th generation. That's how you are supposed to earn completely. But as a Bronx person, you probably earn from 1 to 7. You don't earn from every other person because you are Bronx. So from level 1 to level 7, that's where you are going to earn to. But if you do your 20 PV complete, you are going to earn as much as the VIP that is earning 1 to 12, level 1 to 12, and the 100% payout. So that is a very fantastic thing once you just do your 20 PV. And the 20 PV is not really as expensive because right now you can only buy you can buy whatever you want. So that means you can always buy, quickly sell what you want, distribute to whoever you want to distribute, buy again, turn it over, and you can do that as many times as possible within a month. So before you know it, your 20 PV is complete. So, and when you do that, you earn from every bubble from level 1 to 12. I have someone in my team that did a product of over 2 million sometimes during this month. And if that person has been able to do that, that means for every activity that happens, it's going to earn very up to like 12 levels deep in that particular cycle of that month. So that's why it's always good for you to be as active as getting to do your 20 PV. Silver, you are going to be able to earn from level 1 to level 8, just one level above down of bronze. But if you do your 20 PV complete, you will still earn as a VIP. The same thing with gold. Gold is 1 to 10. So level 1 to 10. The same thing. Platinum is 1 to 12, just like VIP. The only difference between the platinum and the VIP is while the VIP is sharing from the 2% global share. And this is something we need to understand. What does the 2% global share mean? This morning, my daughter was asking me that if I'm a VIP member, what does the global share mean? I just started laughing that even at your young age, you're already trying to understand what the global share is. So I did a brief explanation to her that what the global share means is that this business we are just starting. We have not even scratched the surface of this business. And that is why this is a good time for you and I to be in this business, because we are going to be the one that are going to make this product known. So we're already in UK, US, Canada, and everywhere. So what means that the profit that this company has made from everywhere the product is being distributed, as a VIP, you are going to share from the 2% of that profit. So as a platinum, you are going to share from the 1%. So the difference between the platinum and the VIP is that while VIP is sharing from the 2%, the platinum is sharing from the 1%. But both of them are earning 12 levels deep. I hope that is clear. So both of them are earning 12 levels deep, but you are able to share the 2% global share. So I move to the next one. Okay, this is the GMX. I'm not really going to dwell on this one. Like I said before, a lot of this has changed because some of these GMX are not available anymore. You can see this is what I was trying to say before. That initially from all these R2 and S1, people are earning 50 naira. So how many 50 naira? That's going to take quite a while. So what the company has done is now to make it N10, which has made the earning to be almost times 4 of what we are earning before. So if you are saying like it's going to take you before maybe like 2 or 3 years to earn this kind of money, with that times 4, it's probably going to take you like 1.5 years, because the company has tried to estimate the potential of what you are going to earn. So the money that people are making from the retail, maybe some people are selling at some very stupid price and now making it difficult for those that are selling at the recommended price to sell. Now they have made it to be a little bit narrow so that everybody must sell within that space. And that profit has been shared to us in the N10. That's everybody can now earn 100 from every 2 PV and up to 12 levels up. So that's that. So I won't dwell on this one so much. This is another table that I think is really very exciting. And most times when I'm prospecting, this table and the Power of 4 table is what I normally show my people, that this is something that is attracting someone like me into this business. So look at this table now. What is them that with just 1% of your team doing GMX monthly, you can be on a perpetual monthly income of 33,664,500. What does this mean? Let's say I build my team to, okay, let's say I build my team to level 8. So look at this level 8. That means my 4 has done 4, the 4 has done 4, and it's as complete like that. We have gone to level 8. What this business is telling me that if those people in my team are doing their GMX every month, day in, day out, and I'm in that space, what I'm going to be making at that level is 11,796,480. So now imagine if at this level 8, it's just 1% of them that is doing. That means I can still get this 1%. If it is 10% of them, I'll get 20% of that. That is the way it is. So always encourage your team member to do their GMX, because if products don't move, nobody gets paid. And the reason why they have to do GMX is that once a product is in your hand, you don't sell what you don't have. Whatever is in your hand is what you are going to sell. If you have products with you, you are going to sell it. Coca-Cola is not going to wait and say, how many people are going to drink Coke today? Okay, let's go and produce this total number of Coke. They are going to produce it and they are going to push it out. Banks are not going to wait that, okay, before we are going to construct the structure of our bank and do this, let's first go and find customer. And after we see customer, then let's quickly build this bank and employ staff. No, they will build the structure, employ marketers, send them out to go and look for business. And by the time they do that, they're going to get customers coming to the bank. And the same way with this, get your GMX. Don't say, okay, who is going to buy for me? Am I going to sell it? Am I going to do this? When you have a product, you are going to sell it. Imagine if Zuckerberg was waiting that, okay, I'm not going to start Facebook until I've seen people that are going to subscribe. Once they tell me that I will subscribe, then I'll now start building Facebook. I'll start doing Amazon also. These people made these things to be available, and they push it out and everybody starts subscribing. This is business like that too. Let us have this product in our hand. What is easy for you to distribute now that you can buy whatever you want? Then you push it out and people are going to buy from you. You do it on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp status, on your Instagram, wherever, push it out, let people know. And when you do that and everybody in your team have been able to replicate that, you are on your way to earn 33,674,500 every month with just 1% of your team doing their GMX. This is fantastic. But most people we are doing reactive buying. What do I mean by reactive buying? When you say, this person wants bitter, this one wants restore, you now go to your stocking and say, give me 2 bitter, give me 1 restore, give me 1 fire. You now sell it and wait till you get another reward. That is not the way to push this business. Get product in your hand, advertise it, let people get to know, broadcast it to your people, and create market. That is the way business is being done. So you have to be active in pushing this. You don't have to be reactive into what people want. So I think I'm done with this side. So I'm going to move to the next slide. Okay, this is just about the personal matching bonus. So 10% of the personal bonus of your team up to 12 level. I think I've explained that. Up to 12 levels deep. That's how you earn the 10% of that. I've explained that in the last thing. So I've been able to. So these are all the starter packs. Most of us don't do starter packs. I won't dwell on this one too much. This is not really so needed. This is how to do the matching bonus, your left and your right. Everybody, when you cycle out from one place to the other, your right and your left have matched. You know, we have, when you are looking at your binary, when you want to be binaries in 2, right, left. So when your right and your left are balanced, that's matching. Once it's matched, you are getting paid. So let's say you have 4 here, you have 3 here. By the time you get 1 at the other side, it balances out and you cycle out. So that is the matching bonus for that side. So the rank PV bonus, okay, I think this is another place I need to dwell in. I will dwell in. To me, this is just a bonus. This is not, because why is it a bonus for most people? Because by the time you are going to get your rank PV is going to have gotten to this level where the rank PV is going. You probably will have so much money to afford whatever this reward or the bonus is going to give you. But all the same, the company is saying that we are still going to give you, irrespective of you making 20 million naira monthly at this stage now, we still give you to say, thank you for becoming 5-star. Thank you for becoming Emirate Director. So let's quickly delve into this and see the way it works. So as an associate, most people, when they come into this business, they maybe when they come in at a Bronx, they have like 40 PV and they buy product, they can become, maybe they buy product and give them 20 PV. Don't forget that everything we do in Green Monday is in PV. PV is the currency of Green Monday. PV is what we use to grow. As your PV grows, you can become from an associate to a senior associate to a 1-star manager, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, Ruby, and you move up like that. So that is what the rank is going to give you. So I tell you that, I tell people that let us assess it that, okay, it's going to take me 3 months for me to get to 1-star manager in this company, and which is actually very doable. And I think a lot of people are going to beat this cutoff as the business keep going. Initially, it might look a little bit tough, but as the business keep going, and most people are aware of this business, this is going to get easier. So as an associate, you are not really getting any reward. As a senior associate, nothing really. But the 1-star manager, the company is saying that we are going to give you 20 bottles of Reader Bar bitters, 30 meals. That is just to say, thank you for becoming a 1-star manager. Don't forget that you're already earning in different ways. You're already earning your matrix, earning your personal bonus, earning your instant reward. You are earning even your retail profit. This is just a thank you gift from the company. So this is not like what you are going to do. Is this what they are giving me? No, this is just thank you for achieving this manager rank in your business. So that's that for 1-star manager. Then it gets more interesting as you are moving. Get more interesting. So let's say it takes you 3 months to 2 years to achieve this. 3 months to 2 years. But is this really possible? I'm going to use myself as an example. I'm barely 1 year plus in this business. Yes, 1 year plus, 1 year and like a few months. And I'm on my 2-star going to 3-star already. So that means if I say in the next 2 years, I can achieve my 4-star manager, yes, it's visible. Because in my first year, I've been able to move from associate to senior associate to 1-star manager. Then after that, 2-star manager. Now in 1 year, few months, I'm going to 3-star, and I'm probably going to build towards 4-star within 2 years. So this is actually visible for everybody. So what do you get from that? As a 2-star manager, you are going to get customized t-shirts and a pen or 5 different variants just to say thank you. As 3-star manager, you are going to get 32-inch TV plus customized gift set for 3-star manager. For 4-star manager, they say you are going to get 55 curved UHD 4K smart TV or 2 HP split or standing AC. That's for 4-star manager. All this is just saying thank you for getting to this. And don't forget, as a 4-star manager, you must have been earning some phenomenal income. So most of these things are things you can actually buy yourself, but the company is still giving you that. Don't spend your money on this. We are going to give you. Then 5-star manager, now it's getting interesting. From 5-star manager, you are going to get an all-expense paid trip to Dubai for 2. If you decide that you want to go with you and your wife, or you and your son, or you and your daughter, or wherever you want to go with. So as a 5-star manager, you get, as a Ruby director, you are going to get a car fund of 5 million as a Ruby director. And by the time you are a Ruby director, you, from the GMX, from the reward, you are actually probably be earning close to like 20 million naira monthly from this business. You can see that this, as when you are earning 20 million monthly, how much is a 5 million naira car that you cannot afford? But the company say, don't spend your money on buying a car. We are going to give you money to buy a car. Is this not beautiful? So that is what you are going to get. As an Emirate director, it is now getting very crazy. You can get 250,000 paid monthly for 30 years, or a property in Nigeria worth 20 million. Or you choose what you want out of this. Either you want the salary 150,000 every month, or just want your 20 million property. Beautiful thing. Then let's move to Diamond Director. At this point, it has gotten to another level. So let's say it's going to take you 4 to 10 years. So that means you are building a career. I've worked in medicine for more than 10 years. In that 10 years, most of the things I've probably done, I probably do it myself. Probably save money, maybe go and do contribution, or do in another business and make money to do whatever you want to do. But these are things that the company is going to give you just because you have been able to become a Diamond Director. You are going to get a property in the United States, plus educational fund, plus salary for life for 30 years. As a Black Diamond Director, just to say thank you, you are going to get 1 million naira paid monthly for 30 years, plus house fund, plus car fund, plus educational trust fund. So that is what you get. So if you are going to do this for 4 to 10 years, like you are building a career, this is worth it. And don't forget that at this time, the kind of money you are going to be making from your GMX potential, from your personal bonus, from every other thing, from your matrix, we have not even talk about the matrix. That's another thing that you just even don't have to worry. Do what you have to do, and you see this money coming. Yeah, the beginning might be a little bit difficult, but the business is such that you might probably work hard for now and get paid little. Then you now work hard and get paid medium. Then at a point you now get to, you are not even really working at all, and the money is overwhelming. That is when you are built to a particular level and your team is now massive, and the commission you are getting from the product moving in your team is going to be phenomenal. So I've talked about this. This is like the table for that other one before it, the power of 4. Okay, this is how you can actually grow your point. The strategy you can try to adapt. You can use the first 4 period to do whatever you want to do. You can do it monthly, you can do it quarterly, you can do it biannually or annually. It depends on how you decide to build your team. I'm trying to look for the matrix. Yes, let's look at this matrix table. This is another table that I think we should look at. Personally, I really don't look into this matrix table anymore. I'm arranging the matrix to arrange itself. What does the matrix mean? You know, we are saying that we are driving with the power of 4. So let's say you come in, you are the number 1 on that table. You are the first person. That's the first cycle. You are looking at that level 1. It is you. Your 4 people that you bring is going to, the matrix reward arranges for you that you're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, it remains 2 for that matrix to complete. Those 2 are going to come from any other person that either you are the one that brings them or someone else in your team brings those 2 people. It completes your level 1 matrix for you, and you earn 10,000 naira. All these people under you, when they too are able to replicate the same thing and complete their own level 1, you go to level 2 and you earn 15,000 naira. Those people in your level 2 now, if they complete, now that you are in level 2, if your own level 2 people now complete their level 2, you move to level 3 and you collect 30,000 naira. If the people in your level 3 complete it, you now move to level 4 and earn 90. Then it goes on, then level 5 you earn 1 million, level 6 you earn 6 million. And guess what? After this level 6 of this 6 million, you go back to level 4 again and you start earning the 1 million and 6 million over and over like that. So you don't go back to level 1, you end that like 6 times, and that continues. I tell people that there are some people in this business that they might depend that their strategy is to build their matrix. So they might start just doing the matrix strategy alone and just filling those matrix with whatever they want to do to earn this quick money. But I tell people that if you continue building your power of 4, this table will just earn itself. You just see that you have earned 10,000, you have earned 15, you have earned 30. It's the same activity that you are doing to build your power of 4 that is arranging this for you, both in the matrix, both in the uni level, both in the binary. So just focus on building your team, and everything is just going to be set for you, and just keep earning, and it continues and continues that way. So that is that for that. Then I've explained the global share, I've explained the executive share, and the stockist bonus. So the stockist bonus is another way that we can earn in this business. So how do you earn from the stockist bonus? The stockist bonus is, if you are at least a silver member, you can become a stockist. And for now, for you to become a stockist, takes you about 250,000 naira, which you have to be able to match every month. That means every month you must be able to do that to 50,000 naira. I know a lot of companies that to become a stockist, you have to pay like maybe 8 million or 9 million. And I know it's a function of time. By the time this company get bigger, it's not going to be so easy for you to become a stockist. So the company pays you that. With that, on top of that 250,000 naira, you are going to earn 10% of that money in profit as a stockist. It's not going to be maybe in money alone. It's going to be more cash plus products. So 10% of your 250,000 naira is 25,000. So they are going to give you that in form of cash and in form of products. And you can keep moving from a stockist to a super stockist and a light stockist. And it doesn't just stop at 10%. That 10% can go as much as 300%, 400%, depending on how the turnover you can do. So that means you can turn your 250,000 naira, and at that month, you can build it and do like 8 million. You can earn as much as 300% on that 8 million because you have been able to do a lot of volume. The company pays you this in form of products and in form of cash, the two together, because most companies actually pay in form of products, but the company said they are going to pay you in form of product and in form of cash. So if you sell these products, you make so much money and you get some cash from your stockists. So the more stockists you have in your team, the better it is for you. And the earlier you should become a stockist, it is good for you. So you'll be able to service the people around you and your environment. So that's that for the stockist reward. So stockists are there. So you can see 10% to 200% profit from cash and products rebates. You can control the business and your team growth. So you can control how your team is growing and how your business is going. And you can always leverage from creating other stockists. So by the time you have more stockists in your team, you can move and become an allied stockist, and you begin to do more volume and do a lot of volume in your team, and it keeps growing that way. So I've talked about the retail profits. I've talked about this. So I think this is the end of my presentation today. If you have any question, I can take questions now. Any question? Any question?
Maybe. Thank you, Dr. Onifade. Thank you so much for this presentation. This is something many of us need to be reminded of. And, you know, just to let us know that in this presentation, even in our back office, we have a lot of information that if we read, we will learn a lot of these things. But just to add that next month, we're paying it forward. What does that mean? Prior to now, when you do your GMX, you are active for the month that you do the GMX. So let's say September now, you do your GMX on the 1st of September, you are active till the end of September, or you did it in August, you are active till the end of the month, and by the beginning of the next month, you are inactive. But now, the GMX you do in September is going to keep you active in October. It looks like there's some people who have raised their hands for questions. Maybe I should pause this and you can answer the questions, Dr. Onifade. Somebody is asking how much minimum order can a stockist do in a month?
Okay. Yeah. The minimum order a stockist can do in a month is 250,000 naira. So as a stockist, you should be able to do your 250,000 naira every month. So that's the minimum. Then you can go from there and do any amount you want to do. But that does not mean that at the beginning of every month, if you don't have the 250, you cannot buy something as a stockist. You can buy and build up and make sure you complete that your 250,000 before but you must complete your 250,000 naira that month. That's the minimum.
Also,
Okay.
also to add that the stockist volume is now denominated in PV. So what you need to do is 100 PV. Now that could be 250,000. It could actually be less, or it could be a bit more. But you need to do 100 PV to be able to be active as a stockist. Someone is asking about what is GMX. Okay, I think that question has been answered. Yes.
Okay. I will still say it again. GMX is Green Monday Extra. That's what it means, Green Monday Extra. So in Green Monday, we don't say, I want to go and buy one fire. We say we buy in GMX. All the products are lump sum in GMX. So right now, there's something called the GMX N10, Green Monday Extra N10. So you can buy with that Green Monday. That's the way to buy your product. Everything comes in that GMX. You go to your back office, you see the different type of GMX that you have, and you can buy any GMX you want. So buy products in GMX in Green Monday. That's the code name.
Somebody is also asking, what is my gain for completing my 250K as a stockist? I think he has already answered that, but perhaps you would like to say something.
Okay, I said your gain in that 250,000 as a stockist is you are going to earn 10% of that 250,000, which can grow as more as 300%, depending on the volume you do. So, and that 10% is going to be paid both in cash and products. It's going to be paid both in cash and in products. You can see the slide here. So you can see that greater than 10% to 300% profit from cash and product rebates. So on that 250, if the 250 is what you do, or the 100 PV, you are going to get 10% of that, which is like around 25,000 in both in cash and in products. So that is your gain. But the more you do, the more you are going to earn. And it can go as much as 300% profit. The more volume you are able to push. Okay? So hello, Ma, I want to stop sharing.
Yes, you can stop sharing. The last thing I want to say really is that I know that when you are talking about the amount that people will earn or be paid, I know that in some minds it's possible that there's the question, would they pay? Are you sure they will pay? Just to help people to know that from every bottle of Reader bitters or every product sold, the company has already factored in the fact that something is going to be paid out to people up to certain levels. So we have no fear. The only concern for you is to make sure you do what you need to do, build your team, turn over your products, and the company is just waiting for us to hit those levels before they pay. That's what I wanted to add.
Okay. So I want to assume there's no more question.
Yeah, there are no more questions in the chat box. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, somebody raised their hands. Somebody, Tosin Treasures.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe it's the same. I've asked.
My question has been treated. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you very much, Dr. Onifade. That was very illuminating.
Thank you so much, Dr. Onifade.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So we see all of us by 6. Bring in your prospects. Let us take advantage of the 6 o'clock presentation to get our prospects in for the meeting. Thank you all. See you by 6.
Take care.